Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on Eid ul-Fitr. वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और ऐसे ही और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। First line is Eid ul-Fitr is a major festival celebrated by Muslims worldwide. Second line is it marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan, during which Muslims fast from dawn to dusk. Third line is it is a time for forgiveness, gratitude, and family gatherings. Fourth line is it is significant for self-reflection and spiritual renewal. Fifth line is it is celebrated with special prayers, feasts, and the exchange of gifts and greetings. Sixth line is Muslims dress up in new clothes and decorate their homes for this occasion. Seventh line is charity is an essential aspect of this festival. Eighth line is it is customary to offer sweets and desserts to guests and family members. Ninth line is the date of celebration varies each year according to the Islamic lunar calendar. Last line is the celebration is a symbol of unity and peace.